Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Many students are calling me, they are sending me messages, they are telling me that they have been idle since March 20 and they are feeling depressed, they are feeling tense, they are going into depression. So no exams, no work, no supplementary exams, no betterment exams. And what about our future? What about our career? Is it going to be a zero academic year? So many are calling me, many are sending me messages. My sincere request to all of you children, no need to worry, no need to be panic. So we are passing through a critical situation, we are facing a critical situation. Under these circumstances, to be alive is a great challenge, to be healthy is the greatest achievement. Okay, so children, if you take the example of the people who were born in 1900, so the people who were born in 1900, once you look at the problems they faced, those who were born in 1900, from 1918 to 20, they witnessed a dangerous Spanish flu. It lasted for 2 years, not 1 year, 2 years. Again, 1914 to 18, so First World War took place. First World War took place, and millions of people they were killed. And again in 1930, Hitler's Nazis atrocities began. 1939 to 45, Second World War took place. So millions of people were killed and millions became homeless, shelterless. And again 1955 to 70, Vietnam War took place. And the entire world was affected with this Vietnam War. When compared to those people, ours is a small issue. Our elders, they overcame all these difficulties. They faced it. They faced all these difficulties and they came upon these challenges. And when compared to those people, ours is a very minor issue, ours is a small issue. Today, look at the people, many lost their jobs, many businesses, many shops, many organizations, they closed down. And migrant workers, many people are suffering from hunger. So ours is a very minor issue, and utilize the time. So don't think that this is a free time, no. So this is the best time, this is the best opportunity to learn new things, to acquire new skills. So make the best use of this opportunity. For example, if you are SSC pass out, you procure inter book, start preparation. And if you finished your intermediate, why don't you concentrate on EAMCET and other competitive exams. So update your GK and current affairs, communication skills, English, spoken English, and prepare for any competitive exams. And computer course, do any computer course. So new skills, acquiring new skill is a very good habit for our brain. So our brain can be activated by acquiring new skills. New skills means driving, learning a new language, swimming, etc. So learn a new skill. These things are very important for our health, for our brain also. Okay guys, thanks for watching my videos. Please stay tuned and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Meet again very soon with latest updates. Till then, take care of your health. Bye bye. Jai Hind.